They may have, but they
Lords, I am coming, Lords.
considered it. And we said that that was not even an advertisement.
I'm coming, Lords. That
Was that
it is
we are wrong?
yes. I'm just, Lords. It is there that also the rules of the game were not changed midway, as we have observed that the clock started to tick not on 28th of December 2024, the date of indicative notice, but on 22nd of January 2025, date of publication. Now, Lords, I just want to draw the attention of this court on the advertisement which is attached at page number, my Lords, annexure P2 of this writ petition, my Lords, as page number 53. This is, my Lords, the Government of India Ministry of Railways Recruitment, Railway Recruitment Board, centralized employment notification number 8/2024. It clearly, without any ambiguous, my Lords, clearly states that this advertisement of 2024, and this has been issued on 28th of December 2024 in the last left corner, my Lords. And it is also there that the qualification post-wise educational qualification and medical standards, see annexure A in the detail centralized employment notification.
Where are you reading? Sorry.
Lords, page number 53, my Lords.
Got it, but where have you read this post-wise?
Not that the first column, my Lords. Column first, vacancies for level 1 post.
There's a central.
Yes.
Education.
Yes, but this annexure was, this detail advertisement was released on 22nd of January. That is also attached, my Lords, at annexure P9, copy of the OA, my Lords. This is annexure A1 of the OA, my Lords.
Therefore, along with it, annexure A was there.
No, my Lords. That was issued on 28th of December, and till 22nd of January there was nothing.
No annexure A.
Nothing. This was issued on 22nd of January, and it is clearly on page number 109, my Lord, it shows that the date of indicative notice is 28th of December 2024. So, my Lords, what I am submitting, my Lord, that this advertisement the respondent has with pre-intended and with clarification, because they cannot issue an advertisement without with some doubt or some abnormalities, my Lord. There was clear indicative, and the previous since 7 years their conduct, they are officially communicating that the qualification will be 10 plus ITI.
Let him participate and let him be compete with all this. Yes.
In fact, Manoj, in the 2019, petitioner number 1 participated in the 2019 without any demand, Manoj.
But the difficulty is that
he wants to cut down competition.
No. That's I know, Manoj, that cannot be the ground. That cannot be the ground. I cannot plead that because the competition.
You will not plead that, but that is what you are wanting.
That I want, my Lord, that the substantial question which is at P3, P4, my Lord, it is clearly, my Lord, on this ground the Honorable Tribunal has, my Lord,
challenging the order dated 12th November.
My Lord, for a moment, my Lord, page number 59, but one last page 59. Page 59. And, my Lord, moreover, my Lord, for the same qualification, there are two different qualifications. Same post, there are two different qualifications. Also attached. My Lord, page number 59.
Yes.
Para number 1, my Lord, this is a circular of 2nd of January, where my friend respondent has changed the policy. We are not challenging that. They have the full right. But para 2, which says that we have pointed out to Mr. So and so that the CEN 8/24 was issued on 28th of December 2024, as is apparent from annexure A2. That is the same which I have just shown to the my Lord. The question arises, now this is very important. The question arises as to whether, as the advertisement was issued on 28th of December 2024.
See, that is the problem. In fact, we should be actually saying that you misled the court. Did you tell them that with this there was actually nothing mentioned in annexure A? You gave us, even in the present petition, you are giving us an impression that on 28th December, the qualifications were there.
My Lords, I have the complete transcript even where the Honorable High Court of Connaught Bench has detail heard that the
Don't press much. Now you are almost bordering with this kind of a submission. Actually, you are bordering on to cause.
Lords, that is,
you misled the court, and we have no doubt on that. Even in the present petition, you are misleading us.
Lords, I'm submitting, Lords, that Honorable Connaught Bench has already discussed with this topic that if the qualifications are not there, that means the qualification.
So interim orders will now govern the final orders. Okay. That may be a law.
Lord, it is of 24 advertisement, my Lord. They have changed the policy on 2nd of January 2025.
This petition has been filed challenging the order dated 12th November 2025 passed by the learned.
Lord, sudden change of qualification, Lord, it But for 39 lakh students.
Whenever you will stop, we'll dictate the order.
My lord.
Whenever. You can continue till then.
But once, my lord, P5, my lord,
At least in
P5.
Supreme Court, you will not say that I was not heard.
No, my lord, P5 page 61, my lord, that
Okay.
last submission, P5 page 61. That is, my lord, it is of 25th of January 2025. 25th of January 2020. This is, my lords, in the last para 2.2 for level 1, group D level 1, the same post. And the qualification is that the post in civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, signal, telecom, this, the minimum qualification is 10th pass plus next certificate granted by the institute. This is the note of 25th of January. Same level of post, same designation, technical post, but the qualification is, my lord. This is the.
So it says or a national apprenticeship certificate.
No, my lord. It is for technical post. Technical post.
Level 1, you are saying, no?
Yes, level
GP 1800.
Yes, my lord.
GP 1800. That post.
GP 1801. Yes, the last
level
one.
1. It says 10th standard or IIT or equivalent from a recognized board.
No, my lord.
Or national apprenticeship certificate.
The third line, my lord. The third line for the post in civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, signal and telecom department, catering, wings of railway. The minimum qualification is 10th pass plus next certificate. So, my lord, this post is also a technical, my lord. The same post, same designation, 2 alter qualification, my lord. This is also the, my lord.
Issue a corrigendum, we don't know.
सभी चैनल
You
को
rectified.
सब्सक्राइब करें.
See, that is where now we would have issued notice recording this. And then they would have come back. Then you will, then in some other litigation, you would say, but you issued notice.
My lord, I will not.
So we will now impose costs.
My lord, I am just on submit.
Now impose costs.
That's, my lord,
if you filed a document, you should have known what happened thereafter. Are you sure that you issued a corrigendum to this?
But they may have changed just a few days ago, because so far the petition also there was nothing.
Do you know it that they've been changed?
No,
Then why did you show it?
I'm not aware. I don't know exactly.
We'll ask them and we'll impose costs.
My submission may be recorded. So far, as of now, my lords, I'm not aware that if they have changed anything. I'm submitting.
You should find it out before you point out to a document. That have they changed this or not? Because this is your entire basis. And we would have issued notice that yes, how can you have to call qualification?
सभी शेयर करें, लाइव को शेयर करें, चैनल
So,
को
my lords,
सब्सक्राइब
again
करें.
the last submission.
Filed challenging the order dated 12th November 2025 passed by the learned tribunal in OA number so and so, title so and so, dismissing the OA filed by the respondent herein, by the petitioner herein. Full stop. The petitioner by the above OA had challenged the
लाइव शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करके बताएं अपनी बात.
advertisement dated 21st January 2025 issued by the respondent for the post of was this post
My lords, the technical post level 1.
for the level 1 post in the Indian Railways prescribing minimum educational qualification for the same as
लाइव को शेयर करें, लाइक करें.
10th pass or where is that qualification? Which one?
ITI हारता नजर आ रहा है.
Or ITI or equivalent or NAC. Page 17. The petitioner claimed that the educational qualification for the said post had been changed post the recruitment process having commenced by an advertisement dated 28/12/2024 issued by the respondent. The learned tribunal rejected the said submission by observing as under page 56, just after this something has been scanned thereafter. Also the rules of the game were not changed. Next. The learned counsel for the petitioner reiterating the above submission has drawn our attention to the advertisement dated 28/12/2024 issued by the respondent, whereby the respondent advertised various posts in level 1 to 7th CPC pay metrics and claimed to have annexed the post-wise educational qualification and medical standard in Annexure A to the same. The learned counsel for the petitioner, on being asked, however, now admits that Annexure A to this advertisement was never published and in fact came to be published only when a revised
22nd of January.
advertisement, when a detailed advertisement was issued by the respondent on 22nd January 2025 and which prescribed in Annexure A attached thereto the educational qualification as mentioned herein above. Full stop. In view of the same, we find no infirmity in the observation of the learned tribunal that the selection process in fact commenced from the advertisement dated 22nd January 2025 and not the advertisement dated 28 December 2024. Full stop. The
आज की hearing
learned tribunal has in its impugned order also observed that the issue of amending the educational qualification had been considered at various levels by the respondent. In any case, it is for the respondent as an employer to prescribe the educational qualification.
आज की
We
hearing
do not find any infirmity with the said observation of the learned tribunal. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner, however, again draws our attention to an advertisement dated, what was it, 25th January 2025, issued by the East Coast Railway, wherein for level 1 post in civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, signal and departmental, page 66 top. Catering, so and so. Qualification prescribed is 10th pass plus National Apprenticeship Certificate within bracket NAC granted by NCVT or 10th pass plus ITI. He submits that for the same post, different educational qualification cannot be prescribed by the respondent. The learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent on advance notice and on instructions submit that this anomaly has been noticed by the respondent and a corrigendum to the advertisement is being issued to bring it in conformity with the decision of the respondent to change the educational qualification. Full stop. The above advertisement therefore also does not come to the aid of the petitioners. Full stop. Next. The learned counsel for the petitioner then submitted that the petitioner had earlier filed
आज का ही live है
a writ petition. Petitioners had earlier filed a writ petition being WPC 2771 of 2025 challenging the order passed by the learned tribunal declining to grant interim relief to the petitioners. A coordinate bench of this court, by its order dated 5th March 2025, noted that the petition raises an issue as to whether the educational qualification can be changed once the recruitment process had started. Full stop. We fail to appreciate how this order can help the petitioners in the present writ petition. This was an observation made by the coordinate bench of this court while issuing notice on the writ petition filed earlier by the petitioner which writ petition in fact came to be disposed of by an order dated 28 July 2025, post which the Learned Tribunal has considered the OA on merits, including on the above submission of the petitioners. Full stop. We have already agreed with the observation of the Learned Tribunal in this regard and have found no merit in the same. Full stop. Any observation made in an interim order by this court, therefore, cannot have a binding effect on a final adjudicated OA, as also this writ petition. Full stop. We therefore find no merit in the present petition. The same is accordingly dismissed.
Item 1.
ITI हार गया है, 10वीं वाले जीत गए हैं, एग्जाम समय पर होगी। आज का ही लाइव था हाईकोर्ट खंडपीठ में दिल्ली में जस्टिस
Please, my lord, sir. I appear for R1 and R2. Miss Monica Arora is on her leg on some other court. If I may ask for passover.
आज की सुनवाई है ताजा।
My lord, a small issue is pending for so many years altogether.
लाइक करें और कमेंट करके बताएं कि आज की सुनवाई आपको कैसी
All right, we'll do it after item 10. Let's just run through our main matters.
I am so grateful.
After item 10.
Very well, very well, very well. Nice. Item 2.
Yes. Item 2, please.
Yes, my lord.